Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Inspired by European architecture, Elwood Residence is the revival of an existing heritage home. Emily Gillis Design integrates warmth, cosiness, softness, and an enhanced perception of scale through focusing on texture and subtleties. In a preservation and reinvigoration effort, Emily Gillis Design brings a contemporary livability to Elwood Residence, a Californian bungalow home. Though there is a focus on layering rich textures and creating softness and movement, the overarching intent was to retain connections to the past. The considered planning allows for flexibility and redirects activity to a newly defined shared living zone to the rear. Emily Gillis Design has curated each element within the home to ensure a continuation of its origins is achieved.